In a small peaceful village, there lived a farmer named Ramu. He was a simple man who worked hard on his land every day. To help him, he had two animals, Lalu, the ox, and Bolu, the donkey. Lalu had an easy routine. Every morning, he went to the fields to cut the grass. After that, he would return and rest under a shady tree for the rest of the day. But Bolu's life was full of hard work. He carried heavy loads of grain, firewood, and water. He walked long distances and worked from morning till night. One evening, tired and upset, Bolu said to Lalu, "You're so lucky, Lalu. You only work for a little while and rest all day. But I suffer from morning to evening. It's not fair." Lalu replied calmly, "If you really want rest, then try a clever trick. Tomorrow, just pretend your leg is injured. Groan and limp a little. The farmer will feel sorry for you and let you stay back. One day's rest, nothing more." The next day, Bolu did just as Lalu had suggested. He limped and groaned. When Ramu saw him, he said, "Oh no, Bolu is hurt. Let him rest today." But Ramu still had work to do, so he turned to Lalu and said, "Lalu, you'll have to help me with Bolu's work." Lalu quietly agreed. He began carrying the heavy loads, doing work he wasn't used to. It was exhausting. One day passed, then two, then three. Lalu grew more and more tired, but Bolu stayed resting and smiling in the shed, enjoying his lazy days. One evening, Lalu walked up to Bolu, tired and worn out. He said gently, "Bolu, enough now. I'm doing your work and mine too. You asked for a little rest. You got it. But now, please return to your duty. This drama has gone too far." But Bolu smirked and said lazily, "Why should I? You're doing my work just fine. And I'm very happy like this. So keep working, Lalu. It suits you." Lalu was hurt by Bolu's selfishness. He realized that the clever trick he had suggested had now turned into a burden, not just for him, but for everyone. That night, Lalu sat under the tree and thought quietly. He knew words wouldn't work anymore. So he thought of a clever way to fix things. The next evening, Lalu went to Bolu and said seriously, "Today I overheard something important. Farmer Ramu was talking to the village doctor. He said if Bolu's leg doesn't get better by tomorrow, they will have to cut it off." Bolu jumped in fear. "What? Cut off my leg?" Lalu nodded slowly. "Yes. The farmer said he can't keep an animal that's useless." That night, Bolu couldn't sleep. He was terrified. The next morning, before sunrise, Bolu stood up straight and walked without a limp. When Ramu saw him, he smiled in surprise. "Ah, you're healed, Bolu. Good to see you better." From that day, Bolu worked honestly and without complaint. He realized his mistake and never again tried to escape his duty by cheating someone else. Moral of the story: don't betray those who do good to you. Respect those who stand by you, and never repay kindness with selfishness. Let's learn from the story. 1. Groan. Meaning: to make a deep sound showing pain, sadness, or discomfort. Example: Bolu began to groan loudly to make it seem like he was really hurt. 2. Limp. Meaning: to walk with difficulty because of injury or pain in the leg or foot. Example: he limped around the shed pretending that his leg was injured. 3. Exhausting. Meaning, very tiring, making you feel very tired. Example: Lalu found Bolu's work exhausting and hard to manage. 4. Selfishness. Meaning, being concerned only about oneself and not caring about others. Example: Lalu was hurt by Bolu's selfishness when he refused to return to work. 5. Burden. Meaning, a heavy load or something that causes difficulty or stress. Example: doing both his own and Bolu's work became a heavy burden for Lalu.